Good day, Nigerians. Good day, Africa. Solidarity forever. One love with better style. NSC, Nigerian Labour Congress. I first ask una last 2 weeks. I say how una take day. I say wetin be una own for inside this Nigeria government and between the masses. Wey una dey assume, so una dey agitate for, or wey una dey assume, so una dey fight for. NSC and majority of all other parastators are not working or fighting or agitating for the common Nigerian. You all are trying to survive out of this wicked government and all other previous wicked and fraudulent government in Nigeria. You said you want to go on strike for the past 2 months now for over minimum wage. Say the government no dey pay better money. Una wan strike, una wan strike, una wan strike, una wan strike. Una no gree strike. Una go announce this particular date, so una wan strike. Una no go strike. Una go announce another day, so una wan strike. Una no go strike. How una take dey? Na so una want make we take the day? How una fit say all these poor teachers, all these poor civil servants go take dey survive, go take dey chop well, go take dey pay their children school fees? Then you go say the children of today are the leaders of tomorrow. When you are frustrating their parents, how can they achieve this dream for their children? Then Senator pikin dey for London, Minister pikin dey for America, Commissioner pikin dey for Italy, and so on and so forth. Then the poor people, children now go dey here, dey frustrate. Then when they go thief mangi or thief biscuit, una go sentence them to life imprisonment or even kill them. The governors wey dey receive 37 million a month, they complain, say if they put minimum wage for 30,000, say it go cause inflation. The governors no fit just comot the 7 million wey dey for their 37 million. Make dem take rearrange am again. Make some people dey see food dey chop. If not be wickedness, if not be slavery, if not be fraudulent system government Nigeria get. Buhari, you sit down for Aso Rock, dey make noise. Buhari, you sit down for Aso Rock like a lifeless human being wey Donald Trump call you. Buhari, you dey behave like dead man. Buhari, show yourself. NSC, una no know una sef o. By now, una suppose don go for indefinite strike. If una no dey take part with the Nigerian government, if una no dey biased, if una no dey wicked, by now una for don show una full strength as an entity. NSC, Nigerian Labour Congress. ASUU don strike now for the past 1 week now. They dey try dey do Ururu meeting, make ASUU come. ASUU no get time. They need to survive. They are civilized. That is why I go always call Adams Ali Oshomole name. Not be say I hate him personally or I hate him one-on-one or I get problem with him. Make it come use in power. Make it come use in level. When you be NSC chairman, then when you never enter politics, and they see your agitation. A lot of people, they see your agitation. What you can't change now? Now you even make them even change the first minimum wage to even this 18,000. So why you not fit come out now, make you improve that lifestyle or make you change them again? I mean, they don't use money, close your mouth. Because now so many allegations, they follow you now, Adams Ali Oshomole. Me, because I know say some go still be lie for inside, not be all be true. But Adams Ali Oshomole, just come out when you show your strength for this NSC matter. Just come out when you show yourself for this Labour Congress matter where you for be King Kong before. Just come out when you show these poor people and these helpless people, say you are the man of the people. Say you are really a comrade man. Adams Ali Oshomole, come out. This one not be beef. This one not be fight now. Nobody's fighting you. I dey hail you now based on your previous NSC history. Come and do it again. Come and show it again. Make sure the Nigerian government pay 30,000 as minimum wage or even more. May you forget better glory, Adams Ali Oshomole. This one are your department now. I don't know where you dey chook your head, they go for inside politics. Come and save your people, Adams Ali Oshomole. Come and stand by them. And to all these governors where they receive 37 million a month, where they talk say 30,000 as minimum wage go cause inflation, shame on you. You are demons. You are wicked. Now be the principalities and power where they talk for this world. So all this the year governor. How you go dey collect 37 million a month and you dey complain say make dem no give one person 30,000 for a month, say e go cause inflation? Your own 37 million never cause enough inflation, harm, corruption and killing. Nigerian youth, e dey pain me say any of una dey call Buhari name, or any of una dey call Atiku name, or any of una dey call the previous leader's name. Nigerian youth, I dey shame. E dey wound me for body. Make una change, because this system no go carry us go anywhere. We need a better life and we need a better standard. Why can't you look for a young man between the candidate contesting for this 2019 election, instead of choosing Buhari and Atiku, who are above 70 years, who will not lead you to your destiny but enrich themselves and their fellow cabals? African youth are the beg owner, Nigerian youth are the beg owner. Every day night time they go. Every day night the clock they tick. When we want to achieve them, will they wait for a particular time? The future now. Now, one step at a time, we go take the get them by calculation. I dey beg on a Nigerian youth. You no go let only me one do. Even 5,000 people no go fit do, and 10,000 people no go do. Not even 1 million people can do it. We need a lot of energy. Adams Ali Oshomole, show yourself. I'm not beefing you. I'm not fighting you. I know say politics get the way it dey, but this Labour Congress matter now. It dey cause hunger, it dey cause stealing, it dey cause frustration, it dey cause so many negative things. Because even the money sef, the previous money, government not pay, some state government not pay money, areas full ground, people dey suffer. Then una wey be governor dey chop 37 million every month. Una dey complain say 30,000 go cause inflation. Who are you people? What manner of men or manner of man are you, Nigerian governors, Nigerian senators, Nigerian ministers, Nigerian commissioners? Which kind of people una be? Which kind of legacy una dey live? Which kind of trademark? What una dey teach us on our children? Una don imprison everybody with poverty. Then when they see peanut now, they go dey lose, they go want frustrate or sell their birthright to una for free. Nigerian youth are the beg una. Buhari, do something. President Muhammadu Buhari, do something. Even if you go win next year or not, do something. Do a good thing. Save people. NSC, una try know una self. Una dey fall una hand. NSC, una not dey represent no level. Na nyama style. African unite. Nigerians be wise. Solidarity forever. One love with better style.